Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product unboxings and unopenings. Today I'll be reviewing this amazing checkered kind of lumberjack coat. So let's check it out. You just see all the air releasing out of that. Love it. Oh, nice. This is nice and thick and fluffy as well. I can just feel, you know, the bounciness of the fur inside. So that's the collar, comes buttoned. Are these buttons real? Yes, they are. And inside, ooh, the fur is so soft inside. Oh my goodness. All the way down. These buttons are real. Oh, but it's a fake pocket. Of course it is. This side of the button is real. Back looks like this, all the way down. Oh, there is the ability to undo this and then clip it to this other one to make the bottom like tighter or snugger. The heat gets trapped in. So this is, I believe, yeah, on both sides. I'll show you how it's done in a second. Real pockets on both sides. Yeah, let's just throw this on real quick. Ooh, so comfortable. Oh, very interesting. The sleeve, let me show you. The sleeve actually isn't fur, is like just polyester swishy fabric, and then the fur is here. Interesting, so that it doesn't make your arms look super bulky, or you can like wear other stuff. Ah, okay, I actually like that, because right now obviously I'm wearing a tank top so I can feel it, but yeah, in the winter you don't like get overheat, so like it'll be like a perfect like fall jacket. I can see myself going to a pumpkin patch with this. I like that there is like, you know, like a fur collar pop and the differentiation in color. The shape and the design is really cool as well. As I said, unfortunately these are fake, but it's okay because we have real pockets down here and here. And inside it's not, it's the swishy fabric again. Definitely gonna be like one of my go-to like throw on jackets from now on. All right, so you just unbutton this and then you just tighten it to the further button. Unbutton, unbuckle, tighten, so the further one. It makes it a little bit tighter here. Let's just unbutton it and see what it looks like. Yeah, so then it can like fall further down. So if you want to go for like, I guess more of like a cropped feel or just like a tighter look in the back, you can do that. Perfect fit. I like the length of it. It hits, you know, you right at your waist. And once again, the fur is so soft. But yeah, it's not like form-fitting structured here. Yeah, definitely a casual look. Yes, this is definitely so far my favorite of the season. If you want to purchase that as well, check it out in the links below. And they don't come in just like red and black. My favorite color is red. Like everything in my entire house is like red. Like I got red walls, red sofas. But if you like other colors, there are other colors that it comes in. So once again, check it out in the link below and let me know what you think about this jacket. Is this something you would buy? Why or why not? Do you want to know more information about it? If you do, comment below and I'll try my best to get back to you. And if you like product unboxings and want to see more, I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.